Sultan Hasanuddin was born in Makassar on January 12, 1631. He was the son of the 15th king of Goa, Sultan Malikus Said, and the grandson of Sultan Alauddin, the first king of Goa to embrace Islam. Sultan Hasanuddin was known as a figure with a good physique and a brave personality. He was also recognized by many at the time as being patient, generous, and intelligent. The Dutch gave him the nickname the Hanjes van het Oosten, or the Rooster of the East. This title was earned due to his courageous struggle against the Dutch. One notable event was the First Enkhuizen incident, which began on April 2, 1615. This incident started with the arrival of a Dutch ship named Enkhuizen at Sombaopu port, led by Dirk de Vries under the orders of the head of the VOC Trade Office, Abraham Sturck.
At the time, the Goa Kingdom refused to take any action against the VOC's enemies. Eventually, it was decided to close the VOC trade office in Sombaopu. The Goa officials boarded the ship, prompting the Dutch to demand that the Makassaris hand over their crews and be taken as captives. The official refused, leading to an event that remained memorable to the Makassaris people. As a result of this incident, the VOC strictly prohibited the Makassaris from trading in the Maluku Island. This marked the beginning of the Dutch effort to dominate eastern Indonesia. The Goa Kingdom opposed the VOC's trade monopoly and resisted the Dutch arbitrary actions in the Maluku Island, which were rich in spices.
This was because the Dutch had created regulations that were very detrimental and restricted the freedom of others, including the Goa Kingdom and the Makassar's people. Eventually, the Goa Kingdom went to war against the Dutch and their allies to defend their sovereignty and resist the Dutch invasion. Following the Enkhuizen incident, Sultan Hasanuddin led Goa troops and fleet to attack the Dutch defenses in Buton on March 2, 1655. The Dutch sent envoys to negotiate with Sultan Hasanuddin, but he refused. Then, on June 12, 1660, the Dutch attacked Goa's fortification in Panakukan under Johan van Dam's leadership.
They were halted due to a peace agreement signed in Batavia on August 19, 1660. Under Sultan Hasanuddin's leadership, the Goa Kingdom reached its peak of glory. He succeeded in wresting that colonialism and fought for his rival impetuously. On June 12, 1670, Sultan Hasanuddin passed away through related illness at the age of 39. Sultan Hasanuddin was officially recognized as a national hero on November 6, 1973.